Transitions are a great way to create some fluidity and jazz up your PowerPoint presentation. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add sound to your transitions. So, come to your top toolbar and select the Animations button or tab. And as you will see again, across the top you have several choices for animations, and those animations go between the slides of your presentation. They transition. So your question may be, well, I want to add some sound, make it more interesting with my presentation. Well, adding sound to your transitions is another great element to use in your presentation. So first of all, you want to select the slide where you want the animation. So we're going to do the title slide. And I want to use this one. And I want some sound with that transition. So as you can see, I clicked on that and it goes on top of the slide. As you can see right here, this little icon, that means it has an animation on it. I want some sound. So then I'm going to come over here to my toolbar and you will see three choices: transition sound, transition speed, and apply to all. We're really going to look at the first two, sound and speed, and what you need to do is just simply select the down arrow and a menu will appear on your page, and there are several choices for what kind of sound you want to make. You can pick anything from a breeze to wind. So we're going to do wind for our Sanderson sound. And then you can control your speed as well by simply selecting the arrow down. You could go slow, medium, or fast. Let's do a medium transition. And now I want to preview what my transition will look like. So I'm going to come all the way over to the left-hand side of my computer screen and click Preview. As you can see, you hear the sound and you see the transition. So let's do it again with another slide. I want to add a transition to slide 2. And I'm going to use this one right here. As you can see, it'll play it for you so you get a preview of what it looks like. Right now, that transition has no sound, so I want to add perhaps a push sound. Let's see, we'll do that. And my transition for that one, I want to be slow. Alright, and I want to preview it. And that's what it would sound like, and that's what it would look like. We'll do one more. I'm going to put one on slide 3. We will do this transition. Again, you come over to Transition Sound, click the down arrow for your menu, and let's do a camera. And the transition speed, we'll do fast. And then we go Preview, and that's what it would look like. So again, adding some sound with your transitions can make it interesting and more engaging for your audience during your PowerPoint presentation.